Greetings from great used auto sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2022 Chevy Trailblazer. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, about 16,000 miles. It's an LT model. Really nice, got alloys on it, really nice loaded up. Let's go ahead and take a close look here. Let's start with the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful shape. It's got a couple little blemishes on it. Little imperfection there on the paint. Small little dent right there. Imperfection on the paint right there. Overall looks good, very nice condition. Lights are in beautiful shape. Very nice. Super clean. Let's take a look at the hood. Hood's in beautiful condition. It's got a little blemish there, little blemish there. Besides that, looks good. Another little mark over there. Besides that, looks very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the front fender. Passenger side, beautiful condition, clean throughout, very nice shape. It's got a little blemish here on the paint and here. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the mirror. It's got a couple little chips here on it. Besides that, looks good. Passenger side door in the front looks amazing, clean throughout. Take a look at the rubber on there. Glass is in beautiful shape. Rear door on the passenger side, really nice condition. Moldings are in great shape, very nice. Does have a dent right here, a little long dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Overall in nice shape. Quarter panel on the passenger side. It's got a big scuff mark here on this plastic piece. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the rear bumper. It's got a little chip mark there. Nothing major. Also on this side here, it's got a couple little scuffs here on this plastic piece. Rear hatch looks good, really nice condition. Lights are in beautiful shape. Rear glass is in beautiful condition. Very nice, super clean. Also has a scuff here on this panel. Besides that, looks good. Quarter panel's in great shape. Paint looks good. Rear door on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Very nice. Front door, driver, looks amazing. Super clean. Very nice shape. Take a look at the glass on both of these here. Glass and moldings are looking good. This mirror does have a small crack here on the plastic here. Besides that, looks good. Take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at the front fender, driver's side. It's got a couple little blemishes here on the paint and a small little dent right there. Take a quick look at the roof. Roof's in beautiful shape. Don't see any marks or anything to show up there. Overall in nice condition. Beautiful shape throughout. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. Okay, that concludes our walk around on this one. It's in really nice shape. 2022 Trailblazer LT. Beautiful condition. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a little test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel on the driver's side. Controls are in beautiful shape. Armrest is in really nice condition. Very clean. Take a look at the driver's seat. Beautiful shape. Looks clean throughout. Rugs are in good condition. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. Look at the armrest. Really amazing shape. Look at that. Very nice. All right, we'll take a look at the front seat. On the passenger side, seat's in great shape. Does have a little blemish here on the seat and here. Besides that, looks good. Very nice condition. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear door panel. On the driver's side, door panel's in nice shape. Super clean. Armrest is in beautiful condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Beautiful shape. Very nice. Full set of floor mats. Amazing. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the passenger side. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Very nice. Great condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Also in beautiful shape. Rugs are clean. Full set of floor mats. Very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2022 Chevy Trailblazer LT. There's a key fob for it. Lock, unlock, and panic. Put it down there. Let's go ahead and the start button has a little bit of wear and tear on it, as you can see there. We're going to go ahead and press the brake and then push that button there. There you go. Started right up perfect. Really nice. See, all the gauges are being tested out by the vehicle. Fantastic. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage on this one. 16,693 miles. And this is really nice. It's on the tire pressure sensor. It shows you all the tires, the air they're at. It's nice. It's got some more information here. You can go through it. The distance following thing, the US, oil change, air filter. Go to Econo, it shows you this stuff here, really cool. And then you could also go to trip. Fuel range, that's a nice feature there. Fantastic. Okay, so that you control that with these arrows here and these dials here. So we'll just leave it on miles per hour for now. Let's take a look at some of the features on this one here. So we got automatic lights, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice. Cruise control on the steering wheel. It's letting us know that we're low on fuel. Thank you very much. It has the collision alert here. All these cars come with that already. Really nice. It's got Bluetooth on it. These are the controls for the information center there on top. Front and rear wipers, highlights, low lights, turning signals. Let's take a look at the radio. Go back to the home page. So you have audio, takes you there. Bluetooth, you can set up your phone Bluetooth there. Wi-Fi, settings for the Wi-Fi. Settings for the vehicle, for the system, for the apps, for the vehicle. Really nice. Bunch of features there to adjust. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Really nice. You can actually do the touchscreen, or you should actually use these buttons on here. Down below here, air conditioning controls. It has heated seats for the driver and passenger in the front. Really nice. This is the fan speed. This is the temperature speed. And it has front and rear defrost. Down below here, you have your auxiliary. You have your USB plugs. 12-volt plug there. Really nice cup holders there. Really nice. Shifter here. Automatic transmission. Control for the parking brake. This is for the lane assist here. Let's turn that on. Traction control. This is the on and off for the motor if you want it to turn on and off when you're at the light. For snow and sport. So these are two modes here you can put in the transmission. So leave it on that race one there. It's really cool. Okay, here we go. So here's the armrest on this one. It's got a little storage space there. Take that out. You got a huge compartment down there to put stuff in there. Really nice. You got a little tray here to put stuff. You have your glove box there. Really nice. Got your books inside there. Dashboard looks good. Beautiful condition. Super clean. Very nice. Really nice shape in the inside. Steering wheel looks brand new. Amazing condition. Beautiful condition. Then you can see your lane thing there. See that? It shows inside there. Okay, fantastic. Up above here you have your OnStar. You have your information on the passenger side airbag when it's on, when somebody sits there. You've got your courtesy lights, your control for the lights when the doors open. Vanity mirror for the passenger, vanity mirror for the driver. Really nice, well equipped. All right, stay tuned guys. We're gonna go ahead and take it for a test drive in a little bit. Be right back. Oh, another feature this one has, backup camera. You put in reverse, you can see the backup camera. And then when you turn the steering wheel, it actually rolls the way that you're gonna roll back, which is really cool. All right, that's pretty much about it. Stay tuned guys, be right back. Okay, we're all set to take for a test drive. Here we go. Went ahead and put it in gear here already. Let's go take it for a spin. It is pretty quick. Nice and smooth. Alright, we're going to check the brakes now. Here we get to the stop sign. Stops really nice, feels good. Good turning ratio. It's got a good amount of power here. We accelerate to go out. Feels good. Test the brakes out again. Here we go. Really nice. Great drive. Super smooth. Drives amazing. Okay, it feels perfect. All right, that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the cargo area in the back, take a look under the hood, and look at those tires. Be right back. We're taking a look at the rear cargo area. Really nice condition overall. Just have a couple little scratches here and there on these panels. No wear and tear. Beneath here, you got your spare tire on all the tools. Very nice condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment on this one. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Very nice condition. Let's take a closer look here. Very nice shape. Look at that. Really nice condition. Beautiful. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire's in good condition. Really nice. Good amount of tread on there. Continental tire. Take a look at the rim. Rim has a couple scratches here and there. You can see there. Besides that, overall in great shape. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Tire's good. It has a good amount of tread on there. Very nice. Continental tire. Rim is clean. It does have some scratches on it. You can see here. A couple little marks here and there. Besides that, looks good. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. On the passenger side, tire looks good. Rim is clean. It does have some scratches on it. Take a look there. Here and there on the finish. Besides that, looks good. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tire's in good condition. Really nice shape. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Does have a couple little scratches on it. Here. Down here towards the bottom. Besides that, looks good. Very nice shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2022 Chevrolet Trailblazer LT package. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutoSales.com. Thanks for watching.